Understanding ride tickets in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, ride tickets. This term is commonly used in amusement parks and fairs, but what does it actually mean? Let's dive into the world of fun and learning. Ride tickets are special vouchers that allow you access to rides at a carnival, fair, or amusement park. Think of them as a currency specifically for fun. Each ticket grants you one entry to a ride of your choice. There are usually two types of ride tickets. 1. Single ride tickets. These are used for one specific ride. Once you use it, that's it. 2. Unlimited ride passes. These allow you to enjoy multiple rides, often for the entire day. Using ride tickets is simple. 1. Purchase the number of tickets you need. 2. Walk up to the ride you want to enjoy. 3. Hand over the required number of tickets to the operator. 4. Enjoy the ride. Plan ahead. Know which rides you want to try and how many tickets they require. Budget. Only buy as many tickets as you're likely to use. Keep them safe. Treat your tickets like cash. If you lose them, they're gone. I hope this video has cleared up any confusion about ride tickets. Enjoy your next visit to a fair or amusement park, and make the most out of your ride tickets. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning videos.